In this video, we'll demonstrate how to download, activate and run a free, non-commercial version of MineTwin. Open your browser, go to mine-twin.com website. Click Downloads link at the top of the page. Navigate to the download request form in the bottom of the page. Fill in your name, email, company, and region. You'll receive the download link to the email you provided. Click Send Request button, wait until the confirmation appears. Now go to your inbox. In my example, I use my Gmail. Wait until you receive an email from MineTwin. This can take up to 10 minutes. Open the email. It contains the links for both MineTwin OpenPit and Underground, for both Windows and Mac OS. I am going to download MineTwin OpenPit for Windows, so I click the relevant link. Wait until the download completes. This can take up to 10 minutes but is usually much faster. Open your Downloads folder, and go inside the archive you've just downloaded. Drag the folder with MineTwin to your favorite location. For example, to your desktop. Wait until unzipping and copying completes. Open the folder with the application. Double-click the application file named MineTwin OpenPit. If you see this splash screen, congratulations! You have downloaded and installed MineTwin. If you are running MineTwin for the very first time, it will ask for activation. Click the Request Trial button. Type in your email. The activation link will be sent to this email. Navigate to your inbox, and find the email with the link to activate the MineTwin trial license. Click this link. You should be shown the message saying your license has been activated. Now you can restart MineTwin and it will pick up the license. Or if you still have your activation window open, just click Retry. And here we go. This is the main screen of MineTwin OpenPit. Note that your trial end date is shown at the very bottom of the window. Congratulations, you now know how to install and activate the non-commercial trial version of MineTwin.